Welcome to Cactus Plumbing and Air, your trusted partner for all your plumbing and air conditioning needs in Arizona. Today, we're diving into common tankless water heater problems and how to fix them. Is your tankless water heater not providing enough hot water? It could be due to mineral buildup, low water flow, or a faulty temperature sensor. Clean the flow restrictor, flush the unit, or replace the sensor. If your water heater isn't working at all, check the circuit breaker. Low water pressure or a malfunctioning ignition system can also be culprits. Consult a professional for complex issues. A leaking water heater can cause significant damage. Tighten loose connections, replace worn-out gaskets, or, if the heat exchanger is cracked, consider a replacement. Unusual noises from your water heater? Mineral buildup or sediment might be the cause. Flush the unit or clean the sediment trap. A malfunctioning pump may require professional attention. Encountering error codes? Refer to your owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps. If the issue persists, consult a qualified technician. Regular maintenance, such as flushing and cleaning, can prevent many common water heater problems. For expert plumbing and air conditioning services in Arizona, contact Cactus Plumbing and Air. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.